everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Mignon Cobra and I make minimalist videos. So today's video is going to be the unboxing of my Olivia Burton watch. So if you want to stick around, let's get into the video. Let's get it, let's go! Woo! Hey everyone, today's vlog is gonna go buy the Olivia Burton watch. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's get it, let's go. Woo. Okay guys, I'm here now and it's time to pick the watch. Oh, so stressful. I'm thinking of either between like this one, the classic minimalist one, this one, or this one. So I'm gonna think a bit and then I'll let you guys know what I decide. Okay, so yeah, if you guys watched my get ready with me video that I just uploaded, you saw that I was like struggling to get a watch. So and I mentioned that I was thinking about getting the Olivia Burton. So here it is guys, I got it. If you're wondering which one this one is actually the cheaper one. That's the cheapest out of the three. This one was Taiwanese dollars, 2,900. I actually have like a big story time behind this one before like I unbox it. So I'll just put this down for a bit. So when I went there, oh, I have the receipt. Let me show you guys. Okay, back. Yeah. So when I was in China, I wanted to get the Olivia Burton, and it's actually not sold in many places, but Taiwan happens to be one of the countries that it's sold in. But it's sold through a third party, which is SLite, which is like the bookstore. This one. What are the odds that that bookstore only carries one brand of watch and it's Olivia Burton? So I felt like it was just fate that I had to get it. When I saw it, I was like, oh my god. So there's like several locations and different ones carry like different types. So the one that I wanted was the Queen Bee one that just had like the minimalist symbols and like the bee. And it was the most expensive one. It was 5,900 Taiwan dollars, which is like Canadian 2,050. And I bought it, but where's the receipt? I have it here somewhere. Where's the expensive receipt? Oh yeah, there's the, well, with tax it's 2,666. So there's the receipt. But after I bought it and the lady that was like adjusting the metal strap for me, my wrist is actually like extremely small. Like I don't know if you guys know, like I've weighed 100 pounds. I'm extremely small. Like my bone structure is really tiny. So it didn't fit me guys. Even after she adjusted it to the lowest setting, like the smallest it could go, the metal, like the length of the metal can't be cut or trimmed, which means you just have to adjust the dial. So when she adjusted it like the farthest it could go, it was like it wrapped around twice and it was like the metal was like sticking out. And I was like, oh my god, what do I do about this? She was like, just tuck it underneath like the like circle of the watch. I was like, every time. She was actually really nice about it. You know, she was like trying to explain and try to accommodate me. Like she was also like struggling with it too. She's like, yeah, like I know it sticks out. Let me see if I can like stick it underneath. So we were like trying to jam in the metal. And I was like, oh my god. A little bit background information about Olivia Burton. It's kind of similar to Daniel Wellington. It's cheaply made in China, so that keeps the cost cheaper, like a slight, like a not as much of a markup as say like other bigger companies. So maybe it only takes like $10 to make, so they'll only sell it for like $100. Yeah, so they're like cheaply made. Like I mean, they're not like cheap crappy watches, but it's like it's affordably made for the masses. So like they're gonna need like a certain standard of length that can fit everyone. It's not adjustable. So I was like so heartbroken guys. I had to return it. I was like, and they also had like the other one that I talked about that was also the rose gold metal band, but I wasn't gonna fit it. I'm literally too small for like Olivia Burton metal watches. So I was like, oh my god. And I made Will drive me all the way there. We went there once before. We've actually been to several locations, and this was like the third or fourth time I had made him take me to the bookstore. He was fed up, he was tired, he was like, oh god, like this again. So I was like, okay, I need to walk away with a watch from here. Like I was like, and I really wanted one too, because I was like, the watch that I have in China, the battery died and it's fossil and I need to get it fixed back in Canada, because I don't trust taking it, you know, to some other country, right? So, and they don't even have fossil in China. So I was like, oh, I need a watch. So guys, I kind of took the L and I bought the smaller sizing of the straps, and that actually comes in a leather band. So I know that goes against my principles. The first time, like when I was debating between getting the cheaper watch or the more expensive watch, I bought the more expensive watch, as you guys can see, because I was like, even though it's triple the price, it's in line with my values, it's what I want, so I'm gonna pay for it. Like I'm gonna pay to support my values. But guys, like I'm still a minimalist, I'm still a practical person. I'm not gonna buy a watch that doesn't fit me only for the, you know, for a philosophy. Like that's being a radical, like that's being a radicalist, is that the word? So I was like, I gotta take one for the team, guys. So I ended up getting a leather band. I was hoping, because I saw on the website they also carried the vegan strap, so I thought maybe the Taiwanese had ordered the vegan strap. So I was like, okay, you know what, like I'll buy this. I asked the lady, I was like, is this leather or fake leather? And she's like, oh, it's leather. I was like, maybe she doesn't really know because they order through a third party. What the hell do they know? So I went and I checked, and some of the models do come in vegan, but the one that I purchased didn't happen to be in it, like vegan. And then I checked again about like the website, and the same variant comes in a vegan model, which means that I need to order the vegan model. I wouldn't have been able to buy it in the store anyway, so I was like, okay, all right, I tried. So now that I've explained that, and I wanted to like let you guys know that like why it happened this way, it's not like I mean, yeah, you might say something like, well, nah, then you shouldn't bought from them, you know, you can buy from somewhere else, blah, 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 blah. Well, I like this company. I want to support this company. I don't think what they're doing is right using leather. I mean, if they could just go do away with and just provide vegan leather, I think that would be great. The metal, I wish I bought metal, but I can't even buy online either because I know the metal strap's just not going to fit me anyway. So, I don't know, guys, maybe I might email them and ask, like, do you guys have different sizing for the metal bands? Because actually this one, the strap, is removable. So I actually can remove it and I can purchase a metal strap. So that is something that I'm going to look into buying, seeing what I can do about the metal strap, guys. I have not given up. I do want to represent my values, so bear with me. Okay, so now that I got that out of the way, let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so here is the box. This is one of the older models. That's why I got it on like such a good price. I actually got it for the British price. In Canada, I checked Nordstrom. The markup is insane because, like, as I've told, it's like imported 1 and 2 Canadian tax. Like, oh my gosh, it was like several thousand Taiwanese dollars more. Like, I paid like 2,000. I was looking at like 9,000 for the same watch. So I was like, okay, I'm really glad I bought it here. So yeah, and I saw that actually they mailed Olivia Burton, like the British company, they mailed directly to your house, and Taiwan is one of the countries that they mailed to. But I saw that other people who had ordered and they got it in the US, they're like, it's 25 pounds delivery fee. So I was like, okay, no, I'm just gonna keep buying from SLite. So anyway, here's the receipts for it. Show you guys. Yeah, 2,900. I like it so much. Okay, I've been talking too much. Let's just open the damn thing. So anyway, here on the front cover, it's like this beautiful rose gold with like the little bird and like the boxes. And then let's open it. And then the box is like this really beautiful gray. Let's open it. There we go. Oh! So yeah, I got this one. I got like a very classic, not as classic as the very simple designs, but this one is really nice. I actually really like that this one has the Roman numerals, because the Queen Bee one, it was only dots for numbers, and I wasn't really feeling that, so I'm actually pretty happy about this. I really wanted a design to have a bee, but you know, I was like, with what was available to me, I wasn't able to get it, so I was like, it's okay. I like this company. I will get another one in the future, so yeah, this one. I was actually stuck between two models. I wanted the bee, or I wanted floral. So like, sorry, not floral, I wanted marble. So this one is actually is marble, like a marble back with like the rose gold dials. So I was like, this is actually pretty good. And then the strap is gray, so I'll just take it out. Look at that, it comes in a little squishy thing. You take it out. Inside the box is just like a little card. It's in Mandarin, and then like a little booklet for like instructions. I've read the website quite thoroughly. It's literally a repetition of like frequently asked questions and like warranty and whatnot. So yeah, this is what it looks like. The detailing is so gorgeous. At the back, it has like the Olivia Burton and the little bird. And then it's also like written on like the leather strap. If you ordered it online, you could have had your name engraved on it, but yeah, it wasn't gonna make it on time if I had ordered it from online. So yeah, it's okay. I'm gonna order one in the summer. So yeah, I put it on. This is what it looks like. Put it on here. I'll show you guys what I mean by like I have a really small wrist, so I'm gonna put this on right now. Ugh, struggling, guys. And I'm gonna just take it to the last notch. Yeah, see? And I still have like this excess material here. With the other one, it came like all the way over here, and it was just like who wants to wear a watch that looks like that? So yeah, this is what it looks like. And then I have like my own bracelet to go with it, and I think together it just like it looks so classy. Like I really like marble print. If you guys have probably never seen the back of my laptop, so I'll show you guys. This is my laptop. I put like marble decal on it. Yeah, I'm like totally obsessed with marble. So the fact that this is like marble in the faceplate, I'm just like, oh, I love it. I love it. The leather is like super supple. Like, yeah, it's leather, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I've made some poor choices this vacation, but I will do better in the future. So yeah, this one. And reading time on it is really good. I read online that the clock, like the battery inside, only lasts what, like 12 months, so 1 year. So around Chinese New Year, I'll have to like fix the bat. I can just take it back to SLA. They gave me a Chinese New Year bag with it. So yeah, I want to say that I really, really like this watch a lot. Like, given what was available to me, I'm extremely happy with this. I'm really happy that it's also in line with like my financial freedom kind of mentality, which is like, just because something is worth 5 times more, like the price is not going to necessarily make you 5 times happier. So I'm really happy that this watch, I feel is affordable for me, and it tells time. It's really just a watch, but it's like elegant, it's lovely, it's from a company that I really wanted to get. Like I wanted a watch from this brand, and I've been wanting it since like, yeah, since China for the past couple months, and I bought it in cash, which is also in line with like my values. Strap is not leather, guys. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you here, if you can see here, this little notch that makes the straps removable. So I'm gonna look into finding a way to put metal straps on this. So yeah. So anyway, this is my little unboxing / reveal of my watch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, subscribe.